Nios was birthed during the pandemic, and it was a bunch of women gathering and speaking about food sovereignty, food security, sharing nostalgic stories of their grandparents and aunties having a root cellar full of canned goods, and being able to know berries and root medicines and to sustain yourself off of the land.
Nios is reflective of growing as individuals, it's growing as a community, it's growing culturally and spiritually. So Nios embodies growth fully in all ways possible.
We're realizing bringing people together through food, through workshops, it's really creating a space of healing, love, care, but also having an intergenerational space where we want mothers to bring their babies, we want families to bring their kids. And we'll find a way to engage with them, interact with them. Like, it's a very family-oriented space, creating a sense of purpose, a connection to your identity that creates wellness.
All the stuff that they offer to us gives us the opportunity to make connections with people, and making connections is the wellness part.
So the community garden is held on community land. So while we are the main caretakers of it, it's open for anybody, any community member to come, to plant with us, to learn, to teach us even, because I may know something, you may know something, and they may know something else, and together we're stronger.
Before contact, on our end, we had a specific diet that we used to follow, and a lot of it was what we foraged, what we grew, and what we hunted or fished. We never had things like white flour, sugar, even salt or anything like that. And it wasn't up until that was brought over, things started to change, and we started noticing different illnesses that were becoming a little bit more so present.
When it comes to our foods and eating our ancestral foods, it awakens this ancestral memory.
This was a healing point for me. It was the start of me actually being able to just feel like I'm at home. I feel like I can actually really help and provide for the community and help give back in that way as well. So really, this feels like I'm living life again over here.
Our partnership with the Medavie Foundation, it's important and appreciated because it really allows us to continue the work that we do in the community, and also to continue on towards attaining our goal of having a food hub, having a food space, and having food security for the community. But aside from that, it's creating space for holistic wellness, for cultural wellness, spiritual wellness, mental health. And so I think that our goals align in that with the Medavie Foundation.
We've noticed through our workshops and through the spaces we create, Nios is really having a positive impact on well-being by creating support, creating collaboration, and overall the sense of identity, pride, and love.